Hello guys, and welcome to Selecting and Changing Themes by WA Courses. In this video, I'm simply going to show you how you can select and change themes on your WordPress website. With intro out the way, let's get started with the video. So, I'm currently logged into the backend of my WordPress website, and to access the page where you can select and change your themes, you go over to Appearance and you select Themes. Okay, so Appearance and Themes. So over here, you're going to get a great view of all the themes currently installed on your WordPress website. Okay, so the first one here is always going to be the active theme. So this is the theme that is activated. So it's, as you can see here, it's stated as active, and the name of the theme is Hastia. So there are other themes here. We have 2019, we have 2020, and we have 2021. Okay, so these themes you're seeing here, these are default themes. Hastia, I actually installed Hastia to this WordPress instance for this tutorial. Okay, so in order to change your theme, simply go over to the theme that you want, select the theme you want here, and click on the activate button. Okay, you can also click on theme details and get more information about the theme. So you get things about description about the theme and some tags that give you information about the theme. So this is a 1-column theme, it's accessible ready, and some extra stuff here. You can also enable auto updates if you want from here and visit the developer of this theme. So once you're done with deciding what theme you want to use, simply click on the activate button over here, and this theme is going to be active. If you'd like to see how this theme is going to look before activating it, click on live preview. Okay, so I'm just going to click on live preview so we can see how this looks. So live preview takes you to this page where you get a live view of how this is going to look on your website. So you can click on activate and publish from here also if you want. Okay, so I'm going to make this simple, and we're going to go back over here, and I'm just going to scroll here, click on theme details, and click on activate. Okay, so once you activate this, it tells you new theme activated. So you can switch your theme from here and do other things like delete themes. So this is just for managing themes. Okay, if I click here, I can also, you can check here, you're going to see this button for deleting themes. So you can switch themes here, you can delete themes, and you can update your themes right from this screen here. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.